how to do demo trading on ByBit. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the ways to do demo trading on ByBit. Now ByBit offers a demo trading through its testnet platform, which allow users to practice trading real funds. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go and log in into your ByBit account. So when you're logged into your ByBit account, then it's going to take you to the home page. After that, you need to go ahead and select the asset tab. As you select that, next you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to practice with. So go ahead and select either one of it. As you selected the wallet, then you need to go ahead and click the deposit button to get to the testnet wallet address. Use the testnet fusion to send funds to your wallet address. You could also use sites like Bitcoin, testnet Fuent for BTC or USDT. And from the main dashboard page, you could go ahead and press the trade button. Select the trading pair you want to trade. That could either be a Bitcoin or USD. Choose your order type, that is limit, market or conditional. Select your leverage, enter the order details, buy long or sell short to place your order, monitor your position, and you could just go ahead and navigate to the spot trading. Do the same procedure, select the pair and then choose your order type, enter the order details and click on buy or sell, monitor your order in the order tab. Then you'll have successfully done the demo trading on ByBit. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.